welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about padding property in CSS. Before discussing padding property, first you need to understand two more properties. One is a border property, second one is a margin property. Okay, first of all, I have some content. Now, what is the border property? Simply to design a border around the content. Assume here a border is created like this. Now, what about margin property? The purpose of margin property is to create some space around the element such outside of the border. Suppose this is the border, it creates the space outside of the border, that is margin. Now, the purpose of padding is to create the space around the content, that is around the elements inside of the border, that is padding. Okay, see this one. To generate the space around the element contents inside the border. Now, here content is there. Assume this is the border. Here I written some content. So here we need to provide some space at the top by using padding top at the right side, padding right, bottom, padding bottom, and then left, padding left. So depending on your requirement, you can provide padding on any direction. Okay, anyway, what are the possible values? Length in pixels, points, centimeters, inches, how much amount of padding you require, that is specified by length, percentage. So this percentage specifies the padding in terms of percentage relative to the content. Inherit. So we already discussed all these properties in outline in margin. Inherit means simply how much amount we required, that is depends on the parent element. Okay. Anyway, we will discuss with one example, then you will get complete idea. Now, within this, create some style tag, write down some div tag. To understand this concept, first I will create one border. For example, size of the border is 2 pixel, solid, assume red color. We already covered the concept of borders. Okay. Now first what I am doing, div, I will write some message, welcome to CSS. Here right now, observe, I am not using the concept of padding. Okay. Now copy path, move to web browser, paste. See, observe, welcome to CSS is created. Observe the left side, top, bottom, and the right side. Now, apply the padding. What is the padding? Creates the space inside the border to content. Now, here am I applying padding top. Assume 50 pixel. Now, observe the space above the welcome to CSS, below the top border. Space is available. Now you got the meaning of padding. Anyway, I will provide the space on the left side. Suppose padding on the left, 30 pixel. Now check the left side position, moved or not. Similarly, padding at the bottom, some 50 pixel. Here sizes are your wish. The length is your wish. 50 pixel. Now the last one we will check padding at the right also. For example, 100 pixel. Okay. For this, you are not observing. Why? The message is only simple message. Welcome to CSS. Suppose if you written large quantity of information, then you understand the right padding also. Anyway, you got the meaning. This is padding. As usual, like border, margin, outline. Similarly, padding also shorthand notation. Instead of top, left to, bottom, right to, I am using only one property, padding. So again, it has all four possibilities. So 50 pixel, 30 pixel, 40 pixel, suppose 70 pixel. Padding followed by 4 values. You know what is the meaning? The first one, top of the padding top, this is right, bottom and left in the clockwise direction. If you have 4 values, suppose if I have only 3 values, the first one is top, last one is bottom, the middle one is left and right. Anyway, check. See, observe, top and bottom are, top is 50 pixel, bottom is 40 pixel, left is, right is 30 pixel. Suppose if you provide only two things. Now, first one is top and bottom. Second one is left and right. Second one is left and right. Check that one. Observe, above the content, below the content, same. Finally, if you provide only one value, all the four sets, the sizes are 50 pixel. Clear? This is the padding property. Now observe, you can write any of the padding or else shorthand notation with four attributes: top, right, bottom, and then left. So this top, bottom, this is left and right. Top and bottom, left and right. Single value means all the four sides of padding you can provide. Okay, clear? Now this is the concept of padding. That's the end of today's session. Thank you.